Good morning. Y'all see how God shining that light on me? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is the day that we leave to Wolf Lodge. I just went to the store to go get a few more things. I had to get some oil, honestly, because I'm gonna fry some chicken up. I'm gonna fry some chicken. I'm gonna make some honey biscuits right now. Pack that up. And yeah. Pack up husband's stuff. His foot is bothering him a little bit. So thank God it's not his driving foot. Oh, back in the house. My eyebrow is really bothering me. I don't know what she did, but so this is my stuff. This is royalty stuff. This is where husband's stuff is gonna go. You know, less is more. We don't need a whole bunch of bags. You see, I got vitamins, Tylenol. I got stuff if she get bit by anything. I got my little smell good. After I get out the shower, I have to spray. And here is all wipes, band-aids, all of those things. Lotion. Of course, I'm a mom, right? I have to have all of these things. These right here is my favorite slides in the world that I told you about from ASOS. And yeah, so I have to put husband stuff in there. And also because Zion will be here with my big daughter, I packed Zion's lunch for tomorrow and the next day. And this is his lunch. I know it seems awkward, weird, but he likes plain bread, which I give him 3 slices. His favorite chips, which is sour cream and onion. These are his favorite cookies by Linden chocolate chip and Sprite. So all he has to do is pick it up, put it inside his lunchbox and his lunch bag, and he's good to go. So 2 days I'll be gone. So here he go. And I'm right now waiting for my oil to get hot. It's not hot just yet. I'm gonna fry this chicken. And while I do so, I'm gonna listen to a little gospel music. As we thank God for waking us up in our right state of mind. If God don't do nothing else for me, He has done enough. Period. That's T. So that's what I'm about to do. And I'm not trying to rush because I'm kind of in good timing. But I'm trying to, you know, make sure we got everything, pack up everything. I also bought some fruit. Well, I got fruit already, but I bought some watermelon. I do have pineapples in there. I have cherries. I have apples. Yeah. So I have some ginger ale. I have some waters. Yeah, so that's what we doing. And to go with the fried chicken, I'm gonna make some honey butter biscuits. Listen, if you want me to go on a road trip with you, just let me know and I will be there. Because I'm gonna prep. I'm gonna get you right. Trust me. I'm gonna get you right. So, okay. Ooh, fire flickering. Let's turn this baby down a little bit. A little bit. Okay. Almost hot. Let me do what I gotta do. We're ready to go now. We have our stuff in here. We have our stuff in the cart. What else am I missing? Oh, chips. Okay. We were sitting here, me and husband, watching Drizzy Bird. But I guess we have to continue this. Maybe at the hotel. But I also brought my laptop. It is time to roll out. I didn't get the chance to show y'all the fried chicken, but the chicken was chickening, okay? The chicken was chickening. Is that even a word? And yeah. So, and I think once we reach up top, I think we're gonna go by Walmart. I think husband said he wants to pick up some slides or something for his feet for better cushion. And yeah, I'll probably get bread out of there because I put sandwich meat inside the bag, but I forgot to get the bread. Like, who does that? And I seem to have misplaced husband's belt. I think he's really mad at me about it. So I gotta make sure I look for that. Yeah, I gotta give y'all my fit of the day. It's something simple. I'm wearing Prada shades, a two-piece Fashion Nova set. I'm wearing Crocs. You can't see. I got all my gibbets in it. I'm wearing Crocs. And I'm wearing my Prada book bag that I just got. And yeah. So I'm probably going to be switching cameras over to my GoPro. I haven't used my GoPro in a while. So I made sure it was charged up and all of that. So I'm going to use that. And yeah. Other than that, we outside. Husband. He must be in the bathroom. So yeah. So we're going to bring this stuff to the car. Then go pick up Royalty and my mother. And then shoot off from here. Royalty still has no idea where we are going. I think Greg doesn't want to tell her at all. I think he wants to wait till she gets there to see. Yeah, so I know her face is gonna light up. I'm ready to tell her, but I'm gonna wait. And yeah, husband's foot is bothering him a little bit, but he's gonna push through because the devil is a liar. Can't stop no show here. We're going, and we're gonna have a good time. And yeah, so I did also, did I say I'm bringing my computer? I'm bringing my computer just in case husband wants to watch something. Just in case. They do have a TV there, but just in case maybe he can't get what he wants to see. So at least he could go on my computer and watch from there. So we'll see. Yeah, so we're ready to go. All right, let's get to the car and go get Sharice. So we picked up my mother and Royalty. Say hi, Royalty.
She's starting already.
Yeah, because she has no idea.
She's starting already.
No? Surprises are not a surprise if you tell the person. Exactly. There's some fried chicken in there.
In here?
There's fried chicken.
No, like I need that right now.
There's chili. There's white rice. There's biscuit.
No, but
there's
wait.
all of
You
that.
gotta, like, you
Okay.
this is.
We are here. Very quiet and peaceful.
Alright, I'm gonna put some anointing oil on that foot. Oh. And you know I don't be touching people's feet, but I gotta touch your foot.
That's crazy.
It's so funny. You get to the foot just start hurting me like out of the blue.
I can't wait to sleep. And wait, when am I about to say I never slept in a
So it's
hotel
me,
bed?
Greg. Say hi, Greg.
Oh look, there's more parked in here. You want me to bring the car up, son?
Girl,
Can't go nowhere without her.
Grandma
Look.
cannot drive.
No, she's being nice. Say hi, Rosie.
I am nice.
Hi.
Where are we?
Not nice to the camera.
We are at Great Wolf Lodge. It's beautiful here. Show them.
We're in Pennsylvania.
I did. It's
It
nice.
took 2 hours for us to get here.
Me and you gonna sit together. Mommy and Daddy gonna sit together. Well, you know I can't see with your mom.
You and Greg
I can
sleeping
see-
together.
Or I can see with your mother and you can sleep with Dad. I mean, if I had to sleep with your dad, I would. But his ass would lay the other way.
Kalahari already, so I didn't want to double back the same. Yeah, we went.
Y'all
You
went. I
went.
didn't go.
You did. You went with Effatire.
Right. But y'all went to Kalahari?
Yeah.
When?
Ma, we did. We went on a trip.
Oh yeah. With them girls.
Mhm.
What? I wasn't born yet, probably.
Yes.
Oh, they go to cards there, child.
Oh, okay.
Well, would you go, right? Zion, me, you, and.
Yeah, Zion went. Mhm.
Yeah, finally.
Thank God it's hot, but it's bearable.
It's bearable.
Yeah.
This is like a cabin.
Pretty.
Yeah, happy royalty.
Mhm.
I know.
Mhm. Come on, let's go. See?
Come on, best friend.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah,
See, we
shimmy.
had took the car.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah,
We've been
shimmy.
taking everything upstairs. Yeah, let's take your husband upstairs.
Me too.
What room? 4 what?
Oh.
5-1 or S1. I don't know.
4 what? What is it?
Woo!
Oh, 4051.
Whoa.
This way.
Oh,
Yeah, you
that's
got a
scary.
nice little walk.
Pause on the page.
Oh, well, that's nice. You on a nice house, you know?
Yo.
Where you in for?
451. There's a lot of people, but not probably
You didn't,
as much as.
you didn't think it was gonna be a lot?
No, it's not as much as I saw on TikTok, like on the weekends, where the hallways is full and all of that. I don't really got time for all of that.
Because I'm thinking everybody's out of school.
Yeah, but a lot of people was in camp too, ma.
You already got this one, silly.
No, you have to step back.
Oh, what's this? Does it touch?
You already got this one, silly.
You need the wands.
Oh, he got the one.
That's got you probably got a body.
We got the best. What is it? This one?
405. What?
Yo, 5-1. Yes, right here.
How'd you get in?
With the wristband. Not yours, royalty. Not kids. That's the bed.
Yes, it's amazing. Oh, there's separate beds. This is my bed.
Look at our scenery.
This is my bed.
I'm done.
Whoa.
Look at the mountain.
I'm done.
This is not, well, we can see the view. Let me test the other bed. I did not even hurt you.
Greg's favorite person. The remote control.
Hi. Y'all can't see. You had to do all of that?
Woo!
You have to do all of that? Can I see them?
I made some chili and some fried chicken. Yes,
I never
sir.
had chili. I only have 2 pieces of chicken.
I don't even be eating gold. I can stay this whole time
Me too.
and chill and eat and go out when I want to go out.
Oh yeah. So when you come, they give you these wristbands. You'll be able to move around the resort.
Well, hotel. I don't go to
Me, my daughter, my mother, and my husband. We're small little itty bitty family.
Temple, casual dining, feature family style dishes, the market, dining at the Fresh Express.
Well, we need to see how much those what you call it are. Those what do you call them?
Gift shop?
The sword, not the sword thing, the wand thing. Didn't she say it was down here?
Yeah, this is the second floor shop. We gotta go down to the first floor.
Oh, okay. Oh, what's this? Oh, mommy, look. How pretty. Queen E, awesome. Alexandra. They have names on it. You see this one? They got names on it. They got names on it.
Yeah, but our names is not on
$11. They never have Sade. Those are pretty. They're really blingy. Look at all. Oh, pretty. Rosie said her father come and bring her in here. Let him come. I'm not coming with them. How cool is this? Such a kid. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Ears. So we're just walking around, going to see what we see.
Oh no, it's just more rooms. It look like.
Ice! You left the bucket?
No, the bucket is upstairs.
I know, but
So
I'm
we
saying
know
you
on our
left
floor.
it.
Yeah, so now we know we gotta walk that way.
Yeah. Okay.
Because I was gonna bring the bucket with me, but then I was just like, we want to be walking around with a bucket.
Yeah. I do feel like I'm winding down a little bit. I do.
Like I'm slow, like my feet.
Yeah, like I'm dragging. Like I'm dragging. But that's the case. I would have just got a little. I would have got a cute little hotel in the Poconos with a pool, and that would have been it.
Yeah.
That girl upstairs in the bed talking about cut the lights off. She relaxed. She relaxing. She don't even want to walk around with me and my mother to see what they have the table. No. So people let their kids walk by themselves in here. I'm not understanding. Yeah.
They're not open. They're not open.
Over there, mommy. What you mean Dunkin' ain't open?
Dunkin' Donuts is not open.
Me and Greg spent so money on this. If he was down here, he would play it. Oh my goodness. We just stay at that one machine.
So easy to pick it up.
Yeah. And then you put more money. Then you put more money. You done spent $60. I'm like. Alright, so we're going into the water park now to see. I would show y'all, but I told y'all before it's kids here, so I don't want to show too much.
Strawberry shortcake. Hey, look at that.
Oh. Maybe we should get one. I don't know. You see how we like it?
Oh, I got no wallet. I got cash.
They're cashless. And we gotta order through there.
Let's get one.